Precious metals investments. Interesting overview about returns. Precious metals investments are esteemed by speculators from everywhere throughout the world for their quality as well as for their capacity to perform in questionable or erratic monetary times. Attributable to this reason, numerous budgetary specialists consider silver and gold as examples of precious metals investments to be essential components in an all-around expanded portfolio. As of late, precious metals investments has performed fundamentally well in examination to the conventional places of refuge. While on one hand, these speculations oblige financial specialists to rethink their danger longing, they offer them an opportunity to acquire better profits for the other. In the present low-yield environment, relentless profits for interests and cutting-edge economies can be accomplished by getting additional yield by either going out of your danger band or by accomplishing an all-around differentiated arrangement of benefits and developing commercial center. Putting resources into precious metals investments, a wise investment strategy for today's market. Inferable from the intense financial conditions, speculators today think that it's hard to pick between speculation items that are justified regardless of their precious metals investments. The late money-related scene has advanced the idea of putting resources into precious metals investments account and 401k ventures to play a sheltered amusement. These speculation items are generally favored by financial specialists attributable to the way that these are considered as okay ventures. The discouraging monetary scene of today has constrained speculators to ponder their venture choices. Their worries are supported. They are agonized over their retirement. They are concerned on the off chance that they will have the capacity to pay for their children's training, and they are concerned in the event that they have enough cash in their bank account to make the most of their resigned lives. The concerns are boundless. In any case, the uplifting news is that despite everything, we have answers to every one of these inquiries. While the intense money-related atmosphere of today's business sector has postured difficulties for financial specialists, these difficulties additionally display opportunities. It is an undisputed truth that the intense monetary reality of the new 1,000 years has influenced the development situated financial specialists in an extremely negative way. They have turned out to be more cognizant than any time in recent memory about their speculation choices. The putting scene is amidst sensational shifts. By and by, there are speculators that, even in today's difficult business environment, are looking for arrangements that offer the potential for yield. Precious metals investments, gold and silver returns as the stresses of the American economy keep on weighing on the dollar and supported costs for valuable metals. The costs of gold and silver came to their most elevated amounts in 3 months, as of February 2014. Gold for April conveyance climbed continuously for the 8th time and settled at $1,318.60 an ounce on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, up $18.50, or 1.4%. Since November 6, this was the most noteworthy close for the most effectively exchanged contract. Gold for February conveyance likewise rose to 1.4% and shut at $1,319 an ounce. The costs of silver indicated significantly more prominent increases. The agreement for March conveyance rose $1.02 to $21.42 an ounce. The 5% ascent was the greatest one-day rate pickup following September 19. Also, the silver for February conveyance rose to $21.411 an ounce. The execution of these valuable metals highlights how the powerless monetary information of the U.S. have touched off an eagerness for valuable metal speculation among speculators who had given the benefit class a beating in 2013. This relentless execution of valuable metals in the intentional business has urged financial specialists expecting a decrease in valuable metals with a specific end goal to support their wagers by purchasing contracts, subsequently bringing about costs to rise considerably more, a sensation called short press. As a speculator, you have to manage this as a primary concern, that your customary portfolio blend of stocks, bonds, and settled salary speculations is no more equipped for conveying what you require. It should be more dynamic to help you manage the quickly difficult budgetary business sector, and more differing than any other time in recent memory, to minimize the effect of turbulence in worldwide markets. The American government has made an emotional move with a specific end goal: to battle an intense monetary downturn. The outcomes so far have been blended. In any case, the general impact on the national obligation is really self-evident. The money supply has been quickly expanded by the Federal Reserve, yet the record low premium rates will need to increment eventually so as to fight off expansion. Be that as it may, how effective this procedure will be, and how it will influence future monetary development are a few inquiries that still should be replied. To numerous speculators, this indeterminate environment speaks to a place of refuge way to deal with enhancement and a fractional support against values.